Did you know that almost 80% of professional writers use AI tools to enhance their writing? Whether you are a student, blogger, or author, tools like ProWritingAid AI can transform your writing instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to use ProWritingAid AI step by step, so you can write faster, edit smarter, and polish your content like a pro. Let's get started. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser. Then type ProWritingAid.ai in the search bar. Now, click on the first result that you get. You may find some interface like this. Here, you will click on the sign up button. Now, in this interface, you will find three options that you can use to sign up. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or create an account using email and password. Here, I am choosing my Google account. Now choose your preferred Google account and then click on Continue. Now, to customize this website, choose what type of writer best describes you. Here I am choosing creative writer. Now choose where do you usually write. I am choosing as many as options as I want. You may also choose all that apply. Then click on Continue. Now choose the option that best fits your current draft. Here I am choosing Edit my draft. Then click on Continue. And you have your ProWritingAid account fully customized according to your needs. Once you are inside, you have two options: paste your text directly or upload a document. Click on the upload. Now, there will be a pop-up option. Here, you can choose the document. Click on the upload a document. Now, select the document you want. And here the document is. This is totally a drag and drop file from your computer. Now, let's see how ProWritingAid analyzes your writing. Click on Real-Time Report to get instant feedback on grammar, style, and readability. The AI will highlight areas that need improvement and suggest corrections. You can also run specific reports by clicking on grammar, style, or overused words to get targeted suggestions. Need to rewrite a sentence? Select a sentence, then click on the rephrase tool, and ProWritingAid will generate multiple reworded options. Choose the one that fits your style the best. If you are writing academic papers or blog posts, checking for plagiarism is crucial. Click on the plagiarism checker and ProWriting will scan your web and detect any unintentional similarities. One of the best features of ProWritingAid is its customization. Click on the settings to adjust the AI suggestions based on your writing style. Whether you are writing a novel, a business report, or an academic essay, although it is available for the premium members. And that's it. Now you know how to use ProWritingAid AI to improve your writing efficiently. If you found that tutorial helpful, let me know. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.